standing on the corner when I heard my bulldog bark. He was barking at the two men who were gambling in the dark. Now it was STAGERLEE and Little Billy, two men who gamble late. STAGERLEE threw a 7, Billy swore he threw an 8. STAGERLEE told Billy, I can't let you get away with that. You have won all my money and a brand new Stetson hat. STAGERLEE went home and he pulled his big 44. Said, I'm going to the barroom just to pay that debt I owe. STAGERLEE went to the barroom and stood across the barroom door. Said nobody move, and he pulled his big 44. STAGERLEE, right Billy, oh please don't take my life, 'cause I got 3 little children and a very sickly wife. STAGERLEE, he shot Billy, oh he shot that poor boy so bad, till the bullet came through Billy and broke the bartender's glass. Look out now. STAGERLEE went to the barroom and he stood across the barroom door. Said nobody move and pulled that big 44. STAGERLEE, right Billy, oh please don't take my life, 'cause I got 3 little children and a very sickly wife. STAGERLEE